Here I've got POPTEL P8 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open system and click on date and time. Here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off by tapping on off, and then you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So it's up to you what day and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping on this icon and then click on select time zone to choose the one that you would like to apply. So let me pick, for example, Darwin. Then finally you can change the last thing, which is format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock, so it's up to you. If you'd like to go back to automatic settings, then tap on this switcher and then click on automatic date and time and just choose if you'd like to use GPS or network provided time. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your POPTEL. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.